Okay. So this problem is that this is what I have done for the log of. First I did 1 upon a plus b, then d by dx of a plus b is a into 1, b is 0, I have not written. So I got a upon this. Then I get d by dx, u by b method. Denominator square, denominator and it is differentiation of numerator, it is 0, I have written directly. Then minus a and it is differentiation of a plus b is what, a into 1, b is 0, we got right. So this into 0 is 0, minus a into a is minus a square by this. And this is the answer. Okay. So we will see another two problems. That's a into e raised to mx. Fifth one, a into e raised to mx b into e raised to minus nx. Okay. Now again, let y is equal to then we will apply d by dx on both sides. So dy by dx, a is constant, d by dx of e raised to mx is not e raised to mx. Okay. Then again d by dx of mx, m is constant, that we have to take out. Now this one b, e raised to minus nx is e raised to minus nx. Then again d by dx of minus nx. So what happens here? A e raised to mx and it is d by dx of mx, m is constant, d by dx of x is 1 plus same way also d by dx of minus nx, minus n is as it is. Okay. Then d by dx of x is 1. Okay. So we will be writing am e raised to mx minus into plus, that is minus bn e raised to minus. Okay. Sixth problem. Four x cube minus 3x square. 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. Let y is equal to 4x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. So d by dx of y. So d by dx of d by dx. Now here 4 is constant, d by dx of x cube is what? 3 times x square. Minus 3 constant, d by dx of x square is 2x. Plus 2 constant, d by dx of x is 1. So what you get? 4 3s are 12x square minus 6x plus 2. This is dy by dx. by dx of dy by dx. So 12x square minus 6x plus 2. So d square y by dx square. So 12 as it is, d by dx of x square is what? 2x. Minus 6 d by dx of x is 1 plus 2 is 0. So 12 2s are 24 minus 6. 24x minus 6. Okay. So this finishes your this one. Now we have maxima and minima that we will do. That will finish your differentiation portion. Unit 4 is over. So we are left with unit 5, last one, integration. Okay, next one is maxima and minima. Maxima and minima. Maxima and minima. Maxima and minima functions. Maxima and minima functions. Okay. So first I will give you the working rule. Working rule. Okay. Working rule to find maxima and minima. So first we have given function saying let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x be the given function. Let y is equal to f of x be the given function. Now second one, find dy by dx. Means we are going to differentiate. Find dy by dx, or we say f dash of x. Both are same. Or you can say find dy by dx is equal to, it will become f dash of x. Okay, we will do that. Find dy by dx. We will apply d by dx on both the sides. D by dx, that is dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Okay. Now third one, for maxima or minima equate. Third point, for maxima or minima equate dy by dx. Equate dy by dx is equal to 0 or f dash of x is equal to 0. Equate dy by dx is equal to 0 or f dash of x is equal to 0. Then say we get some value x is equal to a. Then say we get some value x is equal to a. While doing the problem again and then, don't worry. Then say we get some value x is equal to a. Now fourth point is what we find out the second derivative. Fourth point. Find d square y by dx equal to become f dan f double dash of x. If you differentiate this, d square over d square is equal to single dash will become double dash f double dash of x. Okay, find the second derivative. Find. Okay, we'll say find second derivative d square. Right. Find second derivative. Find second derivative d square y by dx square is equal to f double dash of x. Then fifth, what we will do, we will find the value at x is equal to a. Find d square y by dx square at x is equal to a. At x is equal to a. And if d square y by dx square is positive or greater than 0, is positive or greater than 0, then f of x is minimum. Then f of x is minimum. Then f of x is minimum at x is equal to a. Then f of x is minimum at x is equal to a. Okay. Next, sixth one. Find d square by dx square. Find second derivative. Same. D square by dx square at x is equal to a. And if d square y by dx square is negative or lesser than 0, negative or lesser than 0, then f of x is maximum. Then f of x is maximum at x is equal to a. Got it? So these are the steps in finding maxima and minima function. It is very easy. Whatever they will give you one function, you are going to say that let y is equal to. Then find out dy by dx. Then that to know whether it is maximum or minimum, you equate dy by dx is equal to 0. Then you get some value of x. Say that is a. Then next you find out the second derivative. After finding second derivative, you put that x value in that. If you get second derivative positive, okay, if you get positive or what it is saying that one, positive or greater than 0 means positive only. Then f of x is minimum at x is equal to a. If you get second derivative negative or lesser than, then f of x is lesser than 0, then f of x is maximum at x is equal to. Okay, this is how we are going to find out. Now we will do one problem. Find the maximum and minimum values. I'll write the main question. Find the maximum and minimum values. Find the maximum or minimum values. Find the maximum or minimum values of the following functions. So general question I have done. Now in this problem number 1, what he has given? X cube minus 12x plus 5. X cube minus 12x plus 5 by 2 plus 1. So we what will say? First step here. Let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to this. Let y is equal to x cube minus 12x plus 5. Then what? Second point, he has found out dy by dx. We will apply dy by dx on both the sides. D by dx on both the sides. Because what? Dy by dx is equal to x cube is 3x square minus 12 constant, x will become 1. So it is 3x square minus 12. 3x square minus 12 we got. Then next step what is saying? For maximum or minimum equate dy by dx is equal to 0. Then we will get value of x. Okay. Now I will show you. I will run the 2 points. Okay. Now third one, for maximum or minimum. For maximum or minimum equate dy by dx is equal to 0. That is, what is dy by dx? 3x square minus 12. Then what we will get? 3x square minus 12 is equal to, we can take 3 common here, otherwise we can equate it, it is one and the same. What we will do? Instead of taking 3 common, I will set that 12 aside. 3x square is equal to 12. Therefore, x square is equal to 12 by 3. 3 ones are 3 fourths. So x square is equal to 4. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2. So I got plus or minus 2. That is my a value. I am getting here 2 plus and minus 2. Now next third point is over. Now fourth point. I will find out the second derivative. Okay. One by one I am rubbing here. Now I am finding out the second derivative. So d by dx of 3 what is dy by dx is equal to, both the sides have to apply, right? D by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 3x square minus 12. This will become second derivative. 3 and hence d by dx of x square is 2x minus 12 is 0. So it will become 6x. 3 2s are 6x. So I got d square over x square. Now find the second derivative of found out. Then I will put one by one values and check whether they are greater than 0 or less than 0. Okay. Now d square by dx square at x is equal to 2 plus 2. 6 into 2, that is 12. So I will say here since d square by dx square is positive, it is positive, 12 I got positive or greater than 0, one and the same, is positive. Since d square by dx square is positive, therefore f of x is minimum here. If it is negative, f of x is maximum. Here it is positive, then it becomes the other graph. Therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to 2. What is that minimum value? We have to put it in this. Y minimum of 2. That is 2 cube minus 12 into 2 plus 5. So 2 cube is 8 minus 12 is 24 plus 5. So how much? 8 plus 5 is how much? 10, 13. 13 minus 24 is, I think, minus 1. I got minus 1. Next, I will find out for minus 2. D square by dx square at x is equal to minus 2. 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. Since d square y by dx square is negative, therefore f of x is maximum at x is equal to minus 2. That is what this was. Maximum, minus 2. Then we will find out, therefore y max at minus 2. Wherever x is, then we put minus 2. Minus 2 cube minus 12 into minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 cube is not minus 8. Minus into minus plus 24 plus 5. So minus 8 plus 29 is. Okay. Minus 8 plus 29 is what? Plus 21 See, 21 is greater than 11 only, na, minus 11. So that is how it is. Very easy. First, they will give the function, you write that y is equal to, then do dy by dx on both the sides, you get dy by dx. Then for maximum or minimum, equate dy by dx is equal to 0. You will get the x values, you may get sometimes one value only, or you may get two values. So here I have got two values. Then do the second derivative. After getting second derivative, put one by one x values and check whether they are positive or negative. So I got here first time positive. So since d square y by d square is positive, therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to what is that minimum value? You put it in the given function, then you get minimum value. Then again I put the second value, I got negative. Since d square y by d square is negative, therefore f of x is maximum at x is equal to 2. Then y of minus 2 maximum. Wherever x is there, you put minus 2. We got 12, 21 answer. So that is all. Okay. Now next normal problem. I hope you have understood. Second one. 2x cube minus 12x square. Yeah, 2x cube minus 12x square. 2x cube minus 12x square plus 18x plus 5. Okay, again that y equal to 2x cube minus 12x square plus 18x plus 5. So first I have designated it that y is equal to, then we'll apply d by dx on both the sides. Okay. Next, d by dx is equal to 2 as it is d by dx of x cube is what? 3x square minus 12 as it is d by dx of, that is 2x cube, 2 constant, x cube is 3x square, then minus 12 as it is, x square will become 2x, d by dx of 18 is constant, x is 1, 5 is 0. So what I am getting here? 6x square minus 24x plus 18. Okay. Next, we have to find out the values of x. So we are going to say for maximum or minimum, equate dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 6x square minus 24x plus 18 is equal to 0. Okay, I can take out 6 commons here. 6x square, 6 4s are, 6 3s are is equal to 0. Therefore 6 will go to 0. I am left with x square. Okay, I'll write on this side. 6 will go to 0. X square minus 4x plus 3. I got a quadratic equation. Here plus 3x square is their product. Means only minus 4x is there. Means I will take minus 3x minus x. Minus 3x minus x will get me minus 4x. And minus 3x into minus x will get me plus 3x. So x minus 3, x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. So, I got x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. Two values I have got. Now, I will find out the second derivative. Okay, so I will find the second derivative. by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 6x square minus 24x plus 18. Okay, d square y by dx square. 6 is constant, d by dx of x square is 2x minus 24x is 1 plus 18 is 0. So 12x minus 20. Now we'll find out one by one. D square y by dx square and x is equal to 1. 12 into 1 minus 24, that is 12 minus 24 is minus 24. I will say here now 6 d square y by dx square is negative. Therefore, f of x is maximum at x is equal to 1. What is that maximum value? Y max of 1 in first equation, that is given here. 2 into x cube, 2 into 1 cube minus 12 into 1 square plus 18 into 1 plus 5. So 2 minus 12 plus 18 plus 5. So how much it is? 18 plus 2 that will be 25. 25 minus 12, it is 13. Okay. Next, again I find out d square y by dx square at x is equal to 3. That is 12 into 3 minus 24. So 36 minus 24 is how much? 8. So I'll say here again what? Since d square y by dx square is positive, therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to 3. What is that minimum value? Y minimum at 3. So it is how much? 2 into 3 cube minus 12 into 3 square plus 18 into 3 plus 5. So 2 into 3 cube is how much? 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 12 into 9. 18 into 3 is how much? 3 is 24. 54. Okay, 54 plus 5. How much will get? 2 7s are 14. 54. Minus 12 9 is how much? 9 2s are 18. 108. Okay, plus 54 plus 5. So 54 plus 54 is 108. 108 minus 108 plus 5. So answer will be 5. So minimum value is 5, maximum is 36. So after getting the answer, we will come to know whether you are right or wrong. Got it? That is how it is. Next, one more problem we will do. Third one. Third one is x cube minus 18x square. X cube minus 18x square plus 96x plus 4. Let y is equal to x cube minus 18x square plus 96x plus 4. So d by dx on both the sides. Okay, so dy by dx, x cube is 3x minus 18 and x square will become 2x plus 96 into 1 plus 4 is 0. So 3x square minus 36x plus 96. Okay, now we say for maximum or minimum. For maximum or minimum, dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 3x square minus 36 plus 96 is equal to 0. You can take out 3 common. 36x, sorry. So 3 common. X square minus 3 12 is the 36 na? Plus 3 3 is the 9, 3 2 is the. So x 3 will go to 0. Therefore x square minus 12x plus 32 is equal to 0. So 12 is there and 32 is there. 8 4s are 8 plus 4 is 12 and 8 into 4 is 32. So since minus sign is there and positive is there, I take it this way. Minus 8x minus 4x. See, minus 8x minus 4x will get me minus 12x. Minus 8x into minus 4x will get me 32x square positive. So x minus 8, x minus 4 is equal to 0. And x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 8. These are the two values I got. Now I will find out the second derivative. Okay. So dy by dx, dy by dx, what is dy by dx? What this one? 3x square minus 36x plus 90. 3 and x square will become 2x minus 36 into 1 plus 96 is 0. So we got 3 to the 6x minus 36. Now d square y by dx square and x is equal to 4. 3 into 4 minus 36, that is 24 minus 36. How much? 24, that is we get minus 12. So since d square y by dx square is negative, okay, therefore f of x is what? Maximum. Maximum at x is equal to 4. What is that maximum value? Y max of 4. Put it in a given equation. 4 cube minus 18 into 4 square plus 96 into 4 plus 4. So how much will get? 4 cube means 4 4 plus 16. 16 4s are 64 minus 18 into 16 it is plus 96 into 4 is how much? 4 6s are 24. 2 carry over. 4 9s are 36, 38 plus 4. So 64 minus 18 into 16 is how much? 18 into 16. 288 plus 384 plus 4 is 388. Okay, 64 minus 388 minus 288 means I'll get plus 100. That will be 160. Next, we will find out d square y by dx square. At x is equal to 8. At x is equal to 8. So 6 into what I got? 6x not that. 6 into 8 minus 36. So 6 8 is 48 minus 36. 12. So I'll say since d square y by dx square is positive, okay, therefore f of x is minimum at x is equal to 8. At x is equal to plus 96 into 8 plus 4. So 8 cube, 8 into 8, 64. 64 into 8 is how much? 64 into 8 is 512 minus 8 into 64 plus 96 into 8. 96 into 8, 768. 768 plus 4. So it will be how much? 512 minus 18 into 64. 18 into 64, huh? 18 into 64. 1052. Okay, plus 68 plus 48 is how much? 72, 772. So 772 plus 512. 772 plus 512 is 1284. 1284 minus 1152. 1284 minus 1152. It is 132. Here it is 132 is minimum, maximum is 164. Got it? So this is how the problem is. So now this finishes your differentiation, that is 4th unit, and the last unit is integration. Next class we will do integration. Okay? You can go through the problem.